Now let's talk about some advanced moves. This is called a rollover to hip extension. Lying down face up. Start first by double checking your posture. Shoulder blades are back and down, rib cage is in, your pelvis has your pubic bone aiming out and down with the upper edge of your pelvis so that it all lands parallel to the floor. From there, legs go down. Deep breath, keep the rib cage tight during the entire exercise. Legs come slowly up and they come over. Now, once they are over right here, heels together, feet apart, and simply lift and contract the glutes and lower. And contract and lower. Think of the rib cage. Keep the rib cage tight. Inhale one way, exhale the other, and focus on the contraction of the glutes rather than trying to lift and lower the legs. One more, hold here, and now slowly set your spine down on the floor, one vertebra at a time. Shoulders stay back, rib cage stays tight, and allow the legs to come down. And that was a rollover to hip extension.